Alright, we're on it again.
Chao Phraya River right there.
Don't look down. Good morning, guys, from here in Benjamin's hut in Koh Phangan Island. I was looking for a breakfast place somewhere around here, and I find a cool spots, like a couple of them. Before we do that, let's go just give you guys the property tour. We'll see if they have serving breakfast here. We might give it a try. If not, we'll just hop on a scooter. There's like a few different breakfast options around here, so we're gonna try one of those because I need coffee. So yeah, that behind me, that's where the entrance is. So I parked my scooter over there as well, and then the reception is over there. Oh, there are a couple of bikes. I don't know if it's available for us or not. So let's go down the beach. You see the bungalows left and right. Very quiet and peaceful over here. Got that feeling. Here's the restaurant right here. And this is the pool. And we have some toilets and showers. Oh, check out this fish. Feels great. Sure to bring the drone, huh? It's not too late. We can still do it. All right, let's go back to the room, get the drone, and give it a little fly. Did you guys like it? I think we got some good shots. Check out this view. Alrighty guys, I got the avocado toast with a latte. It comes up to like 300 baht, and it was so yummy. I forgot to record it, but I took a picture of it. It's right here. So it's like less than $9. With this view, you can't really beat it. Oh, check out this little guy. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing here? What? Oh my gosh, so cute. Check this out. I can pet this little guy all day long. Alright guys, it's happening. Just put my wet shoes on. It feels so weird. And we're having a little bit of overcast today. We'll see if it's gonna rain. Let me check my phone actually. Oh, that's nice. It says cloudy but no rain. So I'll take that. It blocks the sun a little bit, you know, so I'm not gonna get cooked. Let's see if the scooter's still here. They move it, but still there. Oh, they even sell gas over here. So what they do, they use like old liquor bottles, love it, the gas. So that's how you buy gas in here. I mean, it's one of the options, or the one that I showed you guys last night. It's like a little ATM looking machine. You just, hey, what's up? That was the guy that I rent the scooter. So anyway, yeah, ATM looking machine. You get your gas from there. So this is our little guy. It's a little monster, 110cc. It worked well last night, so we'll see how it's gonna perform today. Let's go. Alright guys, it turns out we're in the right place. I can even hear the music from the place that we're supposed to go. We just gotta go up on that hill. I think the place is somewhere over there. I don't know why GPS put me on this route. I think there's another way to go up there, but somehow GPS put me on this one. So I'm just gonna park the scooter here, go up a hike a little bit, and then we're gonna have a beautiful view, and we deserve an iced coconut coffee for sure. It's so hot. You can see the sweat on my face. Well, it looks like I have the place for my own. Wow. Check out this beauty. And I'm so glad we got some clouds. Sawadee Cup! I just ordered a iced coconut milk coffee. It only costs 100 baht, which is not even $3 with this view. Then they give you a little cup of peanuts. I love Thailand. So as you see, I took my drone out and I asked these ladies. They said it's okay to fly the drone. I can't wait. So excited. I may have to take a break drinking this coconut coffee and fly the drone. Yeah, There are a few people coming in too, so before it gets crowded, let's fly the drone and get these beautiful footages. So how you guys like the drone footage? I think it came out pretty good. My screen gets a lot of glare, so it's kind of hard to control, and I'm not completely on top of the hill, so I gotta watch for the trees and stuff. But I think we got decent footages. So yeah, it feels great out here. Besides the heat, oh my god, can you guys see it on my face? I'm dripping, literally. Oh, I see more people parked right next to my scooter right down there. I think everybody uses the Google map and then keep giving them the weird direction, or this is the way to come here, so I don't know. It doesn't look like the proper way, but I guess that's what it is. By the way, before we head down, just one thing took my attention. I don't know, this is very interesting to me, guys. Have you guys seen a cashew tree? You know, the cashew nuts? I think this is it. Let me show you. See these little thingies? The little curvy thing hanging out? So that's the cashew. So this is my first, I don't know, maybe you're so used to this, but I honestly never seen a cashew tree, and I love cashew. I eat cashew pretty much every day. Check this out. So you can see one over there. Yeah, a couple back in there. Oh, more down here. Yeah, let's take a closer look. See? These are the cashews, baby. Wow. Okay. Well, maybe for you it's super ordinary, but to me it's kind of cool. Ah, there's one on the floor. Oh, it's soft actually. Oh, the fruit thing, it's kind of soft, and it's in by the bird or something. Oh, it smells very fruity, almost like a pineapple. Wow. And here it is. It was a little sticky. All right, let's get out of here.